Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This beautifully built 5 bedrooms, 4 bathroom house, which includes helper's quarters and a laundry room, awaits its new owner. It is well situated within the quiet residential community of Highway Drive with easy access to close proximity to the Mandeville Town Center, Mandeville Regional and Hargreave Memorial Hospitals, as well as supermarkets, banks, churches, educational institutions, and several other business places. The land area is approximately 10,671 square feet, or 0.24 acres of land. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, grilled, main level entry, fully fenced, central location, easy access to amenities, low maintenance yard, quiet area, and landscaped. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.